Hi class, in this video I want to walk you through problem number 13 for your homework this week. All right, and it goes like this. A researcher wanted to determine if carpeted rooms contain more bacteria than uncarpeted rooms. Okay? So the table over here shows the results for the number of bacteria per cubic foot by both room types. So we have carpeted versus uncarpeted. It's just the number of bacteria per cubic foot. Okay, so determine whether carpeted rooms have more bacteria. So we want to know if carpeted has more. So that tells me it's going to be a right-tailed test. Then uncarpeted rooms at the alpha is equal to 0.05 level of significance. All right, normal probability plots indicate the data is approximately normal, and box plots tell us there's no outliers. Great. So state the null and alternative hypothesis. So let's let population 1 be the carpeted rooms over here, population 2 be the uncarpeted. So what we wanted to say here, it's going to be B. Remember, the null is always a statement of equality, that the population for 1 is greater than the population for 2, or the mean number of bacteria here is greater than the mean number of bacteria over there. Great, we got it. All right, so next it says determine the p-value for the hypothesis test. So all you're going to do is, as we've been doing, open the data in StatCrunch. You're going to go stat, tstat, to sample with data, carpeted, uncarpeted, and we want to test that it's greater than 0 here because it's a right-tailed test. Hit compute. Here's our p-value. Problem asked to round to 3 decimal places. So it's going to be 0.289 when I round it. Excellent, we got it. So what's our conclusion? Obviously, this p-value is greater than our level of significance. So we are not going to reject the null, all right, because there is not sufficient evidence at this alpha is equal to 0.05 level of significance to conclude that actually carpeted rooms have more bacteria than uncarpeted rooms. Great. In StatCrunch, as you can see here, did most of the work for the p-value, obviously, and then that just drives the rest of the question. Thanks, class.